Are you romantic, charming, and drawn to beauty, or do you struggle with relationships and self worth? The answer lies in your Venus. Let's decode its impact on your life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Akhila Murthy, your astro guide. Venus or Shukra in Vedic astrology represents love, beauty, luxury, relationships, and wealth. It governs your romantic inclinations, artistic talents, financial prosperity, and sense of pleasure. A strong Venus blesses you with charm, magnetism, and material success. A weak or an afflicted Venus can lead to relationship struggles, financial instability, and lack of appreciation of beauty. But how does Venus influence your success, happiness, and love life? Let's explore. First, let's understand the characteristics of Venus in Vedic astrology. Venus's role is to govern love, relationships, and marriage. Venus represents art, beauty, luxury, and creativity. Shukra controls happiness, pleasures, and material comforts. Venus influences finance, charm, and charisma. A strong Venus brings attractiveness, charm, and magnetism, romantic success, and fulfilling relationships, wealth, luxury, and refined taste, creative talent in art, music, or fashion. But a weak or afflicted Venus can cause relationship challenges and heartbreak, financial instability, and excess spending, lack of confidence in love and attraction, struggles with indulgence or over materialism. Now, let's understand Venus and its connection to Vedic astrology. Venus is the ruler of Taurus or Vrishabha Rashi and Libra, also known as Tula Rashi, making these signs naturally elegant and relationship oriented. Venus is exalted in Pisces or Meena Rashi, bringing deep emotional connections, spiritual love, and artistic genius. Shukra is debilitated in Virgo or Kanya Rashi, leading to be practical but emotionally detached in love and over analytic relationships. Venus governs the second and the seventh houses related to wealth, speech, partnerships, and marriage. The placement of Venus in your birth chart determines your romantic experiences, financial prosperity, and aesthetic sense. In Hindu Puranas, Venus or Shukracharya was the guru of the Asuras. He was blessed with a powerful Sanjeevani Vidya which could revive the dead. One famous tale describes how Shukracharya stood against Bhagavan Vishnu to protect his disciples, the Asuras. He performed intense penance to Bhagavan Shiva and received the Sanjeevani mantra, symbolizing Venus's ability to bring beauty, healing, and revival in life. This story shows that Venus's energy is not just about material pleasures, but also about deep wisdom, devotion, and the power to regenerate life. Now, I would like to share a real life success story of my client who transformed Venus's energy. Priya, a fashion designer, was struggling with self worth and financial stability. Her birth chart revealed a debilitated Venus in Virgo, leading to challenges in love, creativity, and income. By practicing Venus remedies such as chanting the Lakshmi shlokas, wearing a diamond, and performing Lakshmi puja, she gradually regained confidence. Within 2 years, she established a successful design studio and found a harmonious relationship, proving that Venus's blessings can be unlocked with the right approach. Now let's explore Venus in palmistry. In palmistry, Venus is associated with the mount of Venus located at the base of the thumb. It governs love, passion, charm, and vitality. Let's understand the key features of Venus in palmistry. A well-developed mount of Venus indicates strong romantic nature, passion, and love for beauty. A flat or underdeveloped Venus means lack of emotion, affection, and enthusiasm. Too many lines on Venus mount indicates overindulgence in pleasure, emotions, or materialism. Let's see what are the signs of weak Venus in palmistry. In or weak Venus mount indicates low vitality and emotional struggles. Deep crisscrossing lines shows emotional turmoil in relationships. A small Venus mount suggests detachment from love and pleasures. Now let's see what are the remedies for a weak Venus mount to palmistry. Massage the mount of Venus to activate romantic and creative energy. Engage in creative activities like painting, music, or fashion. Chant Venus mantras regularly to activate love and prosperity. Now I will share the remedies to strengthen Venus. If Venus is weak or afflicted in your chart, try these powerful remedies. Wear diamond to enhance love, creativity, and financial prosperity. Chant Om Shukraya Namaha to boost positive Venus energy. Worship Goddess Lakshmi. This brings wealth and harmony. Perform Friday fasting to strengthen Venus's influence. Surround yourself with beauty and art. This helps activate Venus's blessings. Maintain good personal hygiene and elegance. This aligns Venus's refined energy. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, and abundance. When balanced, it blesses you with charm, success, and fulfilling relationships. If it's weak or afflicted, it can lead to romantic struggles, financial difficulties, or lack of appreciation for beauty. But with the right knowledge and remedies, you can unlock Venus's divine gifts. If you want to understand how Venus influences your life, let's analyze your birth chart and palm to find personalized remedies. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful astrology content. To book a consultation, visit our website astroakhilamurthy.com and let's awaken your Venus energy.